Safety bar, please. I will lower it for you. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Cuide a los pequeñitos y ahora prepárese.
Ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps and hot and cold running chills. Shh. Listen.
Awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Crazies and growlies, toads in a pipe. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake, and they'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later. Receive your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake.
That's my favorite part of the ride.
I'll see you all a little later.
Spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your Doom Buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
A few moments later.
Continue.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer.
No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky.
Until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and the ghosts will follow you home. They have selected you to fill our quota, and will haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and the ghosts will follow you home. Please exit by stepping away from the cars with your left foot first.